The birds, they're everywhere. Oh, did you want to be on film? Okay. Are the little ones still over there by you?
Alright.
This little guy is just really enjoying hanging out right around Walter. That one over there has a broken beak. Walter's wondering how it's going to survive. Can it eat? Doesn't seem to be too skinny, though.
So broke your look at little baby gull over there, but not brown.
Where?
White one over there. Turn more. Yeah, okay.
Oh, look at him. Well, good. Maybe that all these bullies are over here, he'll get a chance. I wonder if the camera can pick it up. See him over there? Flustering around. This is the Gulf of Mexico. I'm sitting in Siesta Key. Feet in the sand. Walter's feet in the sand.
Look behind you. Two little baby gulls.
We're watching a sunset. Where behind me?
All the way. Well, not over here. Directly behind you.
Oh, wait a minute. Look at the babies. Turtle Beach is like the coolest place on earth. Hi, Mr. Broken Beak. Well, evidently we must be safe people for them to just hang out with us.
We got more popcorn.
Wish I had popcorn. Look at them all.
Time we'll bring them back.
Woo! Tell them. Dunedin Causeway, I have sharks. Here at Turtle Beach, I have birds. And birds. And birds. Where's your little guy? Did he leave you? Oh, no, there he is. Right in front of you. He likes just hanging out with you all. You must put the zip in his doodah. Well, this is Turtle Beach at sunset. I'm glad y'all got to come with us. We'll see you tomorrow.